Our business manager, who is in sole charge of the Mafussil Order Department, has been absent for some time due to illness. During his absence, the work of this department has been entrusted to a new hand. As this is a particularly busy season, it is quite likely that some mistake might have occurred due to oversight, but we assure you that the negligence complaint of was not deliberate. It was purely accidental owing to circumstances over which we had no control. We would now request you to be good enough to send back the unapproved goods, debiting the cost of carriage to our account. If you would also kindly give us a list of the glassware which suffered breakage, we would be glad to replace the articles at our cost. Next para, hoping to be excused for the inconvenience caused. Yours very truly.